Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Pratiksha Sarda and in this session I am going to talk about Pandas. Pandas is Python built-in library and the latest version of Pandas is Pandas 1.1.1. So agenda to this session is we are going to learn what is Pandas, how to install it, types of data suited for Pandas, data structures in Pandas, how to import Pandas library. These many things we are going to learn in this session. This man is Wes McKinney. He is an American software developer and businessman. He developed open source Python library called Pandas. So what is Pandas? Pandas is powerful Python data analysis toolkit. It provides easy to use data structures and data analysis tools for the Python programming languages. It is built on NumPy package and its key data structure is called as data frame. Basically, Pandas is a tool for data processing which helps in data analysis. And it provides functions or methods to efficiently manipulate large data sets. These are the types suited for Pandas. Pandas is well suited for many different kinds of data, that is tabular data, ordered and unordered data, arbitrary matrix data with row and column labels, and any other form of observational or statistic data sets. How to install Pandas? Pandas is installed similarly as NumPy, which I specified in my previous session. If you not watched it, then just go and watch it first before going to practical session of Pandas. So Pandas can be installed either by Anaconda prompt or command prompt also. Pandas is a part of the Anaconda distribution, can be installed with Anaconda or Mini Anaconda. By using command conda install Pandas, and Pandas can be installed by command prompt by using pip install Pandas also. But in my opinion, the easiest way to install Pandas is to install it as a part of the Anaconda distribution. Anaconda is a cross-platform distribution for data analysis and scientific computing. And this is recommended installation for most of the users. It is the simplest way to install not only Pandas but Python and most of the popular packages like NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, etc. Another advantage of installing Anaconda is that you don't need admin rights to install it. Anaconda can install in the user's home directory, which make it trivial to delete Anaconda if you decide. Just delete that folder. Data structures in Pandas. There are two types of data structure in Pandas: series, which is one-dimensional array, and data frames, which is two-dimensional array. Series is a one-dimensional labeled array capable of holding any data type. Whichever data type you want to store in series, it will store it. That is integer, string, floating point numbers, positive number, negative number, any type of data you can store in series. It just take index or label. That's why it is called as one-dimensional labeled array, as it is one-dimensional. Syntax for that is pandas.series method used to create series array. Here parameter passed are list of 24 minus 7 90 54 and index is list of ABCD. Data frame is a two-dimensional labeled data structure with columns and potentially different types. It has indexes and columns also. Here data is a dictionary which contains country, capital of that country and population of that country as indexes, and values given to that are actual values of our data frame. We pass that data to the pandas.dataframe method, and pandas.dataframe method also contain one parameter called columns which contains country, capital and population. These are the columns and these are the indexes. So how to import pandas library? It is very easy. Just use this import convention, import pandas as PD, and your pandas library will be imported. In next video I will show you all these things practically, and I am going to continue this course till the end. But please do like, share and subscribe my channel. It will really appreciate me to make more and more videos like this. Thank you.